Okay, so I just came out after watching Kantara, and I must tell you, it's an experience, such an unique experience. You have not seen a film like this, and I don't know, I have never seen a film like this. And hats off to Rishabh Shetty. Rishabh, you have done great work. I'm going to call you tomorrow, but I just can't stop myself sharing my experience. This is something which is so full of art and the folklore, and it's so rooted, and it's such a novel experience, especially the climax of the film, the kind of energy, I promise you, you have never ever seen before. So the first thing you can do is, after finishing Diwali, go and watch this film. I think it's Rishabh Shetty's masterpiece, one of the finest films I've seen in a long time. And congratulations, Rishabh, for making such a wonderful cinema, great art, great music, great cinematography, and wow. Speak to you soon. तुम्हें कैसी लगी भाई? He is my assistant सौरभ. कैसी लगी?
बहुत ब्रिलियंट फिल्म है, खास करके जो फोक फॉर्म उन्होंने परफॉर्म करी है एंड में, क्लाइमैक्स में.
तूने तो 2 बार देख ली ना?
मैं दूसरी बार देख रहा हूँ, और खासकर वही जो एनर्जी एंड में छोड़ के जाते हैं, वो मुझे पहले दिन भी देखी थी. मैं रात को कई बार सोचते रहा और अभी तक उसका असर था, इसलिए मैं दोबारा असर के साथ.
Okay, so we'll see it again together, right? So see the movie as soon as possible.